back to Product Zone. Today we're gonna test out these amazing pool floats for kids 3+. We're gonna test it out in the pool. It got amazing review and it comes with a built-in water gun. Water comes in from the pool, same water. This is incredible. All you have to do is blow it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone. Let's unbox. Oh, it's nicely full in the box right there. First one is finished. It did not took me that long. The gun, it's right here. It's a really nice, good plastic waterproof gun. Has to be waterproof for the pool. And this part goes into the pool part, and the kids, you can see, sits nice and comfortable. 2 foot goes in there. So both of them are finished. They are really good quality. I'm very impressed. The color is bright. It does feel a lot thicker, as I told you guys, but amazing. Both of them have their guns, and my kids are excited. We're gonna toss them into the pool, make sure the water gun is working. Don't forget to check in the description box for price and detail on this, and get your hand on some good pool floats. Now this thing is amazing. The kids are having a fun time shooting each other. Whoa, they are loving this. They could swim with it. They could go out in a deep end with it. And listen, it keeps them up. These guys are 6 and 7 years old and they still wanted this. They still love it. It's incredible. I gotta tell you, I love this.